Alright, so we had a customer online or somebody online inquire about bending 2 layers of aluminum on our brake. So this is a local pickup. This customer will be getting a heavy duty model, but before we added the extra power frames, I thought we'd try it out on the contractor grade. On the heavy duty grade there would be absolutely no problem, but let's showcase it, the bending of 2 layers of aluminum on a contractor grade. We're all out of coil stock, so I only have leftovers. So we'll do it in two sections, unfortunately, but I'll still give you a pretty decent idea. Keep in mind this is also a 12'6" grade, so we'll start. Bring up the line. This is a single person bending it, but as you can see, no issues doing 2 layers on our brake. So obviously this is 2 pieces because it was leftovers, but it'll work even on the contractor grade. So the heavy duty model brake would be simply even easier. But if you're stuck, you may need to do 2 layers. This is on our contractor grade. 12'6" brake with a single operator.